Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish and gorgeous collection of most demanding baby crochet frock designs, baby stylish frock designs, frock ideas. Beautiful frocks designs decorated with flowers, beaded stones, ribbon, net frocks designs. Beautiful designs, beautiful ideas. Half sleeve, quarter sleeve, sleeveless frock designs, off shoulder sleeves. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I'm back again with most stylish, most demanding collection of baby crochet frock designs. You can make easily crocheted baby frocks with matching cap designs, matching boots, matching hairband, stylish and beautiful dresses for your babies. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. Your babies can wear when you go in the birthday party, wedding party. Please friends, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the hammer section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of baby crochet frog designs? So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again. Allah Hafiz.